Video has. Oh wait, yeah, I'm videoing. Okay, this video is about the firework cannon Fury by Flagship Fireworks, and it has 63 shots, and it is, oh, it's 500 gram. I know that much. I just need to find where it says 500 gram. Well, it doesn't say it on the package, but it probably did on the top. But it's Flagship. Took off the top. The firing pattern. And then here at the very ends, you've got tilted tubes. I mean, they're sort of tilted here, but good. I like them. It's brand new this year. It's actually Flagship Fireworks' first actual cake. And the effects are glittering mine to red, green, yellow, and blue breaks with glitter. With a glitter mine to silverfish and comments. Glittering mine crackle and fish. Multi-shot glitter final of a mine to gold comments with red strobes with sizzling comments. Whatever. But yeah, this is gonna be in the show with the prime rain and the camel blast. I got 3 prime rains, and then I figured I'd throw in the Cannon Fury 63 shot. But that is what I got for you today. I'm shooting them off tonight, so be prepared for a video tonight.